Welcome everybody. Today is gonna be a willow trimming day. This is gonna start out with this willow forest of ours that we've worked on several times with this channel, and willows don't take that long, so we'll do a couple with you. Alright, so since they don't take long, we're just going to come through and trim as needed, and we'll see how many we get done. Alright? Well, you saw how leggy that was. So what we'll do is, we'll try to bring it into the picture as much as possible, but here, I'll start by bringing it down, cut to an outward facing leaf. Remember, kind of keep your design, but right now, let's mostly work on getting it as compact as possible. This thing is gonna shoot back and grow quite quickly, so let's just also use this to correct any mistakes that you may have. This will promote lots of growth. Ramification. There we go. Clean out those unnecessary ones there. Hope everyone's enjoying this summertime. I know I am. Okay, let's come and get this one right here. Now all these cuttings I'm gonna plop right into some dirt, and I'll have a whole bunch of baby willow trees. Not that I don't already have them. But I love baby willows. They're so easy to grow. It actually brings me a lot of joy to grow willow trees. This one's weird. I'm gonna cut that one right there. I'm gonna cut this one back a little bit more. Kind of cut it back to there. That one back to there. Let's see. I always cut to an outward facing leaf. See, that helps you out a little bit. Now we got a weird looking tree down here from it growing weird. So let's see what we can do with this one. Let's cut this back, way back. Promote some different growth here. Look at this. It's doing some weird stuff here. Too many coming out from too many spots there. What do you guys think of that? Kind of keeps it shape, but we get rid of all that legginess. Got to take care of that one. Well, let's see. If we hold on a second, we'll put this aside. We can go pick up another. 1 second. Alright, let's go get us another tree. Well, I was thinking about this one right here. So, how about we take... yeah. How about we take that one? See if we can wrangle this one up over here. Set that one on the... Now what we got going on here is pretty much the same thing. And we might have to change the angle of this camera here because things are like going on way higher up on this tree canopy than they were on the others. So we'll go up here with the same idea, is we just want to cut it back as much as we can and cut it to an outward facing leaf. So we'll just start right here. Now it's always easier to, if you don't know how much to cut, you can cut higher and then cut lower as you need to go if you're not sure, because you can't put branches back, if that makes sense. So let's go to here. Alright. This guy is a really fun tree. Now, if you don't feel like you need to trim a branch, don't do it. Just do what you feel you need. this guy's got too many branches coming from the same point, so I'm going to say take that one off. And I want to take that off right there. I'm going to take that off right there. No, I'll take that off there. Now, as you can see right there, there's got an alleyway, but that's been closing up pretty well. Got another one on this side that's closing up really well. Those kind of alleys it takes a couple of years for them to close up, but when they're healthy like this, they tend to do it pretty well. Just taking this knobby out of the middle of these two branches here. Always doing a little cleanup whenever I can. Always trying to make a tree look the best it can. Now that's a funky branch. Kind of, if you look at this one right here, kind of comes in and curls back out. If you can see that. We'll leave it there just because it works. It just so happens to work in our favor. Nature worked in our favor that time. So we'll just continue our coming down to the lowest we can, cutting at a outward facing leaf, promoting ramification and promoting new growth. And I keep my willow branches for new trees. It's a good way to make new trees to work on. Seems drastic, I know, but this tree will grow faster than you think. See? We made it more compact. We can put that back on the bench and get another tree. All right.